Hello student, today we are going to start the new topic lesson number 5, acid bases and salts. What is mean by acid bases and salt? In our day to day life we use some common substances, some are acids, some are bases and some are salts are used. Now in a simple way, what is mean by acid? What is mean by base? Acid substance, the substance are sour in taste, it is called as the simple way acid, and some substance we have to taste and check it so bitter in taste, it is called as the base. But some acids are concentrate, and that acid we have to not use we have to not detect by using taste, we have to detection, one more method, and scientists studied, and this method is use of identification of substances. We have to use identification by with the help of litmus paper, and that litmus paper to identify the acid and base substances. Now some acids, some bases and salts, they are poured into water, then dissociation or to loss H plus OH minus ion, and not a losing not take part in chemical reaction H plus and OH minus ion. So that time some compounds are there, and that compounds naming here. Now molecular formula, name of the compound, molecular formula, basic radical, acidic radical, and the type of compound. Some example are take in boards. So now HCl is the name of compound, hydrochloric acid. They are poured. Basic radical means so cation. Basic radical means cation, and acidic radical means anion. Cation means positive species and anion means negative species. Now HCl they pour into water, so loss in water to give in water H plus ion and Cl minus ion. So acidic radical, sorry, basic radical is H plus and acidic radical is Cl minus, and type of compound is the acid. Now base, nitric acid, HNO3 is the nitric acid, H plus NO3 minus ion, it is also acid. Now HBr, hydrogen bromide, H plus and Br minus, two cation and anion will form, it is also type of acid. Now H2SO4, now this is the H plus ion, take put into water the acid, sulfuric acid. H2SO4 means sulfuric acid, and SO4 minus also acid substance. Now NaOH, they are poured into water, Na plus OH minus, it is the basic substance and also called as base. Now KOH is the potassium hydroxide, K plus OH minus ion, it is also called as the base substance. Now calcium hydroxide, Ca plus OH minus ion in the solution, it is also base substance. Now NaCl, Na plus Cl minus, not H plus and not OH minus, so it is simple way, it is the salt also. Now K2SO4, K2 plus SO4 2 minus, also called as the also salt substance. Now CaCl2 is the calcium chloride, Ca plus, and Cl twice Cl minus or twice Cl minus, also it is the type of substance is the salt. And we have to clear this uh, table, we have to clear information about this acid substance are take part in chemical reaction or they pour into water to loss which H plus ion, which ions, it is the H plus ion, so simple way it is called as the acid. And what is meant by base? The base are put into water, aqueous water, and to losses the which plus ion, OH minus ion, and it is simple way it is called as the base. And what is meant by salt? Salt substance, they are put into water, so not a H plus and OH minus ion in solution, it is called as the simple way salt. And this classification of or classify the substance acid, bases and salt. Simple way, what is mean by acid? Acid substance, they are put into water, so basic radical and acidic radical, basic and acidic radical, cation and anion will form. So acid are poured into water, aqueous water, to loss H plus ion, so simple way it is acid. And the base substance we have to pour into water, put into water to losing OH minus, and it is simple way base. And in water solution we have to know salts, we have to addition into water, not take H plus ion, H plus ion and OH minus ion, so simple way it is also called as the salt. Then basic and acidic. Basic radical means cation and acidic radical means anion. The cation and anion we have to join, we have to held, they are meet to each other, cation and anion. So that time cation and anion are held together by strong electrostatic force of attraction between two species, two charges, and to formation of a different types of compounds. But we have to charge form compounds, the charges formation of compounds, so simple way it is also called as ionic compound. So it is called as the ionic compound. What is mean by ionic compounds? So ionic compounds means the oppositely charged ion, the oppositely charged ion are held by strong electrostatic force of attraction, are called as the ionic compounds. And we take some example of ionic compounds and clear the topic. Ionic compound, next topic is ionic compound and its recapitulation. First, what is meant by ionic compound? The oppositely charged ion are held by strong electrostatic force of attraction. Strong electrostatic force of attraction means cation and anion. We have to held by strong electrostatic force of attractions are there, and to form a ionic bond and formation of a ionic compounds. त्यामध्ये ionic bond तयार होतात आणि कशाचं फॉर्मेशन होतं? ionic compounds फॉर्मेशन होते. We take example of NaCl. We have to clear or inform about NaCl. Formation of ionic compound is NaCl. Here Na is atomic number is 11 and Cl is the atomic number is 70. Now electronic configuration here 281, and now electronic configuration of chlorine atom we have to write here 287. So K and L, K cell, L cell, M cell. Here K cell, L cell, M cell. But here sodium atom, 2 cell are completely filled, and here chlorine having 2 cell are completely filled. So now in a sodium having in last cell, how many electrons are there? 1 electrons are there, and that 1 electron, so 1 electron are there and needed to complete their stability to 7 electron. Needed more, how many electrons needed? 7 electron. But that time 1 electron having not more energy, not more enough energy to take 7 electron. So that time chlorine having needs outermost cell, 2 cell are completely filled. K cell 2 electron, L cell 8 electron, but M cell how many electrons are there? 7, and needed one more electron to complete their octet. So that time chlorine having their 7 electrons. So that time 1 electron are take from sodium, and sodium is leaving 1 electron, and chlorine is gain the electron. So sodium leaving the electron and chlorine is the giving the electrons. Now we have to write here the electronic configuration and draw the 1 electron leaving and 1 electron receiving. Sodium atom having their Na atom, first cell, how many electrons are there? First cell 2 electrons are there. How many electrons are there? 2 electrons are there. In second cell how many electrons are there? 2, 8, and last cell how many electrons are there? Only 1 electrons are there, and that 1 electron are leaving. 1 electrons are leaving. 1 electrons are leaving from 1 electrons are leaving from the sodium atom. Na is which atom are here? Na is last cell. one electron leaving, and so leave the one electron, so that time that cation, that atom which charge we have to take cation charge, means Na plus charge we will form. Now first cell, how many electrons are there? Two electrons. And second cell, how many electrons are there? 2, 8. Now one electron are leaving, this one electron are leaving, so one positive charge on develop on the Na atom, like as another Cl atom. So take the electron in Cl, how many electrons are there? In first cell 2 electrons, in second cell, and last cell how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 electron. So that time which atom are there? Cl is the Cl atom, and this electron are leaving, and this leaving electron to take up this leave electron. So leaving electron take up by one electron are received, plus 1, minus 1 here, plus 1 receive electron. So plus 1 here, it is the receiving the electron, receive the electron, receive the receive the electrons from, receiving the electron from the sodium. And which charge form on which charge? On Cl. Here take up electron. First cell, how many electrons are there? 2 electron. In second cell, how many electrons are there? 8. And last cell also, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 electrons. So that time charge take up electron, so that time Cl atom, which charge on Cl atom is the negative charge. So that time Na plus and Cl minus, Na plus and Cl minus, to formation of a NaCl and formation of ionic compound, formation of ionic compound, formation of which compound? Ionic compound will form. What is meant by ionic compounds? When sodium in last cell one electron leaving, and Cl atom will take up one electron, receiving one electron, so that time sodium is leaving one electron, one positive charge on sodium atom, and Cl atom we have to take the electron, and which charge on Cl atom? It is the negative charge. So Na plus and Cl minus, one electron losing by sodium and plus charge develop on atom, and Cl receiving the electron, so that time Cl receiving the electron and develop charge negative. So that time cation and anion are held by strong oppositely charged. This is the positive negative. It is the oppositely charged ion are held by strong electrostatic force of attraction to form ionic bonds and formation of a ionic compound. And simple way, sodium chloride, it is NaCl. In day to day life we have to table salt also, and this table salt or common salt, this use our day to day life. And cation and anion are held by strong electrostatic force of attraction and formation of a ionic compounds. Like as example of ionic compound, only not ionic compounds only in our day to day life, it is NaCl. A lot of salts are there, a lot of ionic compounds are made, cation and anion are held by strong electrostatic force of attraction and to formation of a ionic compounds. And to take another example also, calcium chloride also, magnesium chloride also, KCl also, all these compounds are made by the losing electron and receiving the electrons, and to formation of a ionic compounds.